Now let's take that energy inside as we become still and quiet. I invite you to take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And exhaling, letting your body relax. Giving your body permission to let go. Giving yourself permission to be here right now. To be still and quiet. To open your mind and heart to that wellspring of inspiration, divine life, at the center of your being, expressing in and through and as you. You are a wave in the ocean of spirit. Part of the one presence and activity. And this is always true of you. You are never separate from that presence. When we feel separate, it's because we have in some way frustrated that inner experience and awareness. And we can always get back to that awareness. And that's what this time is right now. To support you in being still and opening up to that divine flow. Synchronizing yourself with the wisdom, the peace, the love and the joy of God, of Spirit. I invite you to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. To keep the mind alert and awake. For prayer and meditation is, as Charles Fillmore said, the most accelerated form of mind action. We're tuned in to a higher level of our being. The mind becomes very restless. And the heart becomes very disturbed. And then we don't sense that oneness. So during this time, we relax our body, and then our mind starts to become quieter and calmer. And so let us just give each muscle in our body permission to relax, to let go. Becoming aware of the feet and the calves and just sending the message. Relax. Relax. Becoming aware behind your knees. Relax. Relax. Relaxing your thighs. Your hips, letting your abdomen and stomach relax. Becoming aware of your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Feel that part of your body, just letting go. Relaxing the muscles in your back and your chest. Becoming aware of your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Good. Moving awareness into your jaw. Relaxing your jaw, your face, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your tongue, your ears, your forehead and your scalp. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. And now scanning your body and seeing, is there still some place that needs to let go, that needs to relax? You might want to just gently tense and release that part of your body. Relax. Good. And now we put the body aside. And we begin to focus the mind. And I invite you to just focus now on the flow of your breathing as it moves in and out of your nasal passages. Just feel the breath flowing in and flowing out. And when the mind wanders, don't resist it, just observe it and bring it back to the breathing. Flowing in and flowing out. Just watch the breath now. And now as the breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as the breath flows out, the word spirit. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation, identifying with your true nature, a spiritual being, spirit being you. I am spirit. And again, when the mind wanders, just bring it back to the breathing and back to the affirmation. Let's do that for a little while, concentrating the mind, gently but firmly. And now taking a nice long deep breath. And just notice what you might be feeling in your heart in the moment. Just be aware of whatever emotions or feelings might be present there. Some people find it helpful to place their hand on their chest to just direct their attention to their feeling nature. And just notice what you might be feeling. If something else draws your attention within, then focus there. And imagine now at the center of your being, a little point of light. See it shining in the darkness deep inside your being. And now imagine that little point of light growing and expanding brighter and brighter and brighter, filling your whole being and your whole body with a brilliant light. Feel as if that light is coursing through every cell, every atom, every organ, every part of your body, through your emotions. And that light is shining through and as you, that you are the light. And that light is uninhibited. It is filling the room where you are as an uplifting influence to all those in the room, or if you're at home, in the home where you are. If you're in an office, that presence and activity of light, establishing harmony and peace, order. And allow that light to radiate forth from you. And for a moment, let loved ones pass through your mind. And just know that each one is uplifted in this awareness of light, of spirit. Through your compassion, through your love, each of these loved ones that you sense and that come to your mind are uplifted and blessed. And we expand and include every person on the planet. We include the planet Earth itself, the environment, the people, the animals, the trees, the flowers, the plants, the oceans, the rivers, the mountains, the valleys, the seas, everything, all life. And now we bring our awareness back to our body. Perhaps moving toes and fingers. Feeling the chair or the couch beneath us. Our feet on the ground. And we allow our eyes to adjust to the lighting, and we just know together, thank you, Spirit, for your presence and your activity as me and in my loved ones and in the world. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.